3 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting ready to go to work. And I need to get this recipe going in my slow cooker. So today we are going to make a Fiesta chicken. And I'm going to let it cook all day long on the slow cooker. And when I get home this evening, it'll be ready to tray up and freeze dry. It's going to be a real easy recipe. So what we have here is 2 pounds of corn. I got 2 jars of paste chunky salsa. $24 ounces. I got 4 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breast. 2 cans of Bush's black beans that I've drained. Let's see, some taco seasoning. And I think I said the 2 pounds of corn. It's early in the morning. But we'll just get this all in the crock pot and get her going. So, I'm going to put 1 jar of my salsa on the bottom. Then we're going to throw our chicken breasts in there. Pick any of that fat off. Alright. I'm going to put my 2 pounds of corn in there. Frozen corn. Spread that out. Two cans of black beans, drained. Now I do have 2 packs of taco seasoning, but I'm only going to add 1 for now. When I get home this evening, I'll check and see if I need to add that second packet of taco seasoning. We'll just sprinkle that over the top. There you go. That's prepped and ready to go for a nice slow cook on this in the crock pot. So, let's put that on low. Throw the lid on. And I'll see you in about 8 to 9 hours. Did I say it was 3 o'clock in the morning? Near enough. Forgot to add my 2nd jar of paste salsa. So let's get that in there. Alright, now we'll see you in about 8 hours. Have a great day. Boy, the smell of this when I came home today was absolutely delicious. Now I did end up adding that other 2nd packet of taco seasoning. I'm going to let this cool down a little bit. So let's get in here and shred this chicken. Oh yeah, nice and tender. I love my crock pot. Okay, I got that all shredded up. Now let's put her back in there and get it all mixed up in there. Look at how tender that chicken is. Oh yeah, it tastes so good. Alright, so I'm going to put 2.5 pounds on my tray. And 2.5 pounds, spread that out. Get my handy dandy dividers. Set in 10 portions. Or 10 squares, you want to say. And there you go. Let me move on to the next one. And there you have it. So we got 3 full trays of 2.5 pounds. And then a little bit over a half a tray, which had about 1.5 pounds on that. So we got, I'm going to use 2 squares per portion. So we got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18 portions out of that. And nothing left over for dinner. So you could do 3 trays and eat this for dinner, but I'm going to go ahead and put it all into the freeze dryer. So we'll get this all frozen solid, and next time you see this, it will be coming out of the freeze dryer. I'll see you then. There we have it. 40 hours later, I have all this delicious Fiesta chicken. And what I did was on this tray that was a half a tray, I went ahead and put some of my biscuits, my what do they call these, pilot bread crackers on there, because I want to package 1 disc with my Fiesta chicken in each package. So we've decided that I am going to use 2 squares per serving. And I'm going to use my Top Mylar single meal pouches. So we're just going to take 2 squares. If I can get it out of there. Airlight, these are very nice. And that delicious corn in there. I'm just going to crumble it up just a little bit and throw one of these crackers in there. I'm going to Ziploc this shut for now. I'll do the same with the rest of these. Once these are all packaged up, I will open these back up, cut open my O2 absorbers, and put 1 300cc O2 absorber in each package, reseal it, and put a double heat seal on it. So I'll do all that off camera, and I'll see you for the taste test. Okay, so there we have 18 packages of Fiesta chicken ready for my long-term storage. So let me get these put away, and I will come back for a taste test. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, I am getting ready to go out and do my daily or weekly shop. So I think I better eat before I go, because I always spend too much money when I go hungry. So let's get this taste test done. Reconstitution. All right. That's what it looks like on the inside. Let's take our O2 absorber out. And let's take our pilot bread cracker out. Now, I got a cup of hot water from my Keurig here. And let's see how much we're going to put in there. I want to start with half a cup of hot water. Let's ziplock that shut. Let's get rid of some of that air in there. Alright. So let's let that sit for 2 minutes, and I'll be right back in 2 minutes. Okay, that's been about 2 minutes. This is the stage we decide whether we want to add more water to that. And it's actually looking pretty nice like that. Can you see that? Focus. Let me taste that. No, it needs more water. I added another 1/4 cup of water to that. Let's give that a good little mix. And we'll let that sit for 2 more minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, that's a further 2 minutes. And we are getting ready to dig in. And give that a little stir. Oh man, the seasoning and smell of this is absolutely delicious. So let me tell you about these pouches here. These are pouches that I get from topmylar.com. They're what they call a single meal pouch. They also make a double meal pouch, which is a little bit bigger. But I'm particular to the single meal pouches, and I almost exclusively use their pouches now. What I really like about them is they are a shallow pouch. That is to say, I can eat this right out of the pouch in an emergency or just in a convenient situation. I can just eat it right from the pouch. No need to get dirty dishes and all that stuff. And right now, Top Mylar is doing a special for my viewers. If you spend $50 or more on topmylar.com on any of their products and use the promotion code BIBS, B-I-B-S, you will save $5. That's just a little something they are doing for my viewers, and I really appreciate that. And I hope you all take advantage of that. It's very quality bags. These are 7 mil. Alright. So, but we like to, on my videos, dish this up so you can see what it looks like. Let's get all that good, yummy juice out of there. Oh yeah. That looks good. Okay, let me get a thumbnail of that. Let's dig in and see how it tastes. Boy, it sure smells delicious. All that chicken and corn and black beans. Oh yeah. That, my friends, is delicious. What a great success. That chicken reconstituted perfectly, as it always does. So I included in my freeze drying some pilot bread crackers Unfortunately, these are Sailor Boys, and I used to get them on Amazon, and now you just can't get them. If you see them on Amazon, they are just an astronomical, ridiculous price. But I have seen that, you know, some of the other long-term storage people that sell long-term storage food, like Mountain House or whatever, or maybe Thrive, or anyway, they sell these in cans. They're still more expensive than what they used to be, but I'm told that up in Alaska, these are staples, and you get a 3-pound box for $6. And, you know, last time I saw on Amazon, they wanted for a 3-pound box something like $30 or something, maybe even a little bit more. It's just ridiculous. The funny thing is that from what my research is, these are made, the Sailor Boys are made in Seattle, but they don't sell them in the continental U.S. And I can't find anybody that sells them in the continental U.S. So if anybody's got any contacts with the company that makes Sailor Boy, they need to fix their game and start selling this to us preppers here in America. I mean, why would you make something in America and then not make it available in the continental U.S.? That just doesn't make sense to me. I'd pay double the price of what they're charging to ship it to Alaska and sell them in Alaska, where they're a staple up there. So anyway, I freeze dried these because they have a very, very, very long shelf life. In fact, I've read anywhere 20, 30 years on these if stored properly. But just to be safe, I threw them in the freeze dryer with this, and if there was any residual moisture in there, that got rid of them. But they're not like hardtack. They're more like a cracker. A cracker without the salt. No salt on these. So it's kind of like a way you can add bread to any of your meals. I just wish they would sell it in the U.S. Especially for $6 a carton. It's a 3-pound carton. There's a lot of crackers in a 3-pound carton. But enough said of the pilot bread that you can't get in America. We are focusing on this delicious, I mean absolutely gorgeous, Fiesta Chicken. Everything in that rehydrated perfectly. And I like it a little bit spicy, and it is spicy, so bear that in mind when you make yours. If you don't like spicy stuff, just cut back a little bit on the spice. But I like spicy, and this is absolutely delicious. I am super impressed with that. I'm super happy with this. I'm glad I made 18 pouches of it. And I hope you try out this recipe, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I am. I'm going to finish this off camera, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.